artists? Do you know what animal this is? That's right, it's a rhino! Strong, majestic, and yet so adorable, isn't it? Today, we're going to draw, color, and learn some amazing facts about this incredible animal. First, let's spell the word rhino together. R-H-I-N-O, rhino. Are you ready? Let's begin. Start with some soft, gentle lines for the sketch. The rhinoceros is one of the largest land animals, known for its big horn on the nose and its powerful body. Even though they look huge and tough, rhinos are actually peaceful herbivores that eat mostly grass and leaves. Today, there are only 5 species of rhinos left in the world: the white and black rhinos of Africa, the Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos of Asia. Sadly, many of them are now critically endangered because of poaching and habitat loss. Alright, our sketch looks great. Now let's color our rhino family. Start with orange for the body. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Rhinos have thick, armor-like skin, making them look strong and mighty. The white rhino is the largest an adult can weigh up to 2 tons. Despite their thick skin, rhinos are very sensitive to sunlight and insects, so they love rolling in mud to stay cool and protect their skin, just like having a relaxing spa day. Their famous horn isn't made of bone, it's made of keratin, the same material as our hair and nails. Unfortunately, this horn is the main reason rhinos are hunted. Some people believe it has magical or healing powers, but that's not true at all. That's why many wildlife organizations are working hard to protect rhinos from extinction. Rhinos are plant eaters. They eat grass, leaves, and sometimes fruits up to dozens of kilograms a day. Even though they're big and heavy, they can run 40 to 50 kilometers per hour when they feel threatened. But don't worry, rhinos are usually gentle and rarely attack unless they feel in danger. Rhinos are mostly quiet and solitary. each one living in its own territory. But the bond between a mother and her calf is truly special. A mother rhino always protects her baby, teaching it how to find food, recognize scents, and stay safe. Baby rhinos are so cute and playful. They follow their mom everywhere, learning how to roll in mud and eat tender leaves. As they grow, they eventually leave their mothers to live independently, but the lessons from those early years stay with them forever. Now that we've finished coloring, let's go over the outlines to make our drawing pop. Add a bit of darker orange for shadows and depth. It makes the rhinos look more alive. Here's a fun fact. Rhinos have small eyes and poor eyesight, but their hearing and sense of smell are excellent. They can detect sounds and scents from far away. When they hear something unusual, they perk up their ears and turn toward the sound. It makes them look both powerful and adorable. In the wild, rhinos play an important role in the ecosystem. As they move, they create paths for smaller animals, and their grazing helps the grasslands grow back stronger. In Africa, people call them the gardeners of the savanna because their presence keeps nature in balance. Today, many sanctuaries are working hard to protect and reintroduce rhinos into the wild. Stories of rescued rhino families or reunited mothers and calves always remind us how precious wildlife truly is. Now, let's add a few more bright colors to make our rhino family even more lively. You can also choose your favorite colors, be creative and have fun. When we look at this picture, the gentle mother rhino and her playful little calf, we see a beautiful symbol of motherly love in the wild. Even though they are strong and powerful creatures, rhinos have a soft and caring heart, always protecting and nurturing their young. Each drawing, each story about rhinos, reminds us to cherish and protect nature so that these magnificent animals will never disappear from our planet. Wonderful! We've just finished our drawing of the rhino mother and her baby. Isn't it beautiful and sweet? Through this painting, we not only learned how to draw, but also discovered some fascinating facts about rhinos. And now let's play a little game. Can you spot what's different in this picture? Aha! Look, the little rhino has its eyes closed. Maybe it's feeling sleepy. Let's tuck it in for a nap. If you enjoyed this video and want to draw more amazing animals, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Cute Sketch channel. Goodbye for now, and see you in our next creative adventure.